So speaking of problems, how many of you have been part of a business or a relationship where the same problem recurs, right? Continually, every 6 months, every few days, right? The same problem pops back up again. Again, I'll save you the embarrassment of raising your hand, but we'll all raise our hand, right? We've all been part of a relationship or a business where that problems recur. We've probably also been part of a business where when problems pop up, there's a lot of finger pointing, right? Pointing at people. Again, we're doing our daily management. That QDIP, that QDIP board goes red. That identifies there's a problem. If we don't have a structured team problem-solving process in place, we get finger pointing or we get recurrence of the same problem, and that erodes culture and happiness and employee commitment. So it's critical to have a root cause countermeasure plan and process that the team can execute quickly, simply, and that process starts with an evaluation. So when do we engage root cause countermeasure? Well, sometimes we do. You can see on the left side of the page. And I'll just highlight a couple key points. Those times that we engage root cause countermeasure are when it's a more complex problem than one person can solve alone, right? Pretty simple. So if it's a big cross-functional problem, and if it takes more than one person to solve it, we probably should engage root cause countermeasure. Conversely, sometimes if everybody on the call is old enough to remember the Just Do It campaign from Nike. I know there's a lot of sports fans. So we used to call them Nike projects, right? So if it's relatively simple, it's a Nike project, just go fix it. A lot of times problems go unfixed, untackled, right? They just loom out there to recur. That's not acceptable in business. And again, that really erodes the team and the people, which we're going to talk a little bit about in a minute. So we don't ever want to just sweep them under the rug or ignore them, but we can put them on hold based on business priorities, right? So managing this decision-making cycle as problems come up and as problems identified. And by the way, those problems that come up should be celebrated. They need to go through this process. And if this is simple, clean, and easy, employees, team members start to realize how impactful it is, and they want to do this work as opposed to run scared or point fingers or let problems recur.